Alright you guys, so the project I got going on today is I'm going to start digging out these stumps along my driveway here and next to the carport. I've kind of got this wasted space right now, or I've just kind of been prolonging, but eventually that's going to become a gravel pad, so then I can park another trailer or what have you there. But I do have quite a few stumps here to attend to. I left them relatively high when I cut them just for this purpose, because I knew I'm going to have to get them out eventually, but it's supposed to be a nice day here and I need a day out of the remodel in my kitchen, so we're going to try and tackle some of this. But all this is going to get widened out eventually, so let's get started. Alright, you guys, just wanted to give you a quick update. I'm done for the day. Dug out all those stumps here, all the way down here. And then next to the carport here, got all that cleared out. So, kind of ready to level all this off. As you can see, it's kind of a mess right now, and it's so wet still from all this rain we've been getting. So I'm gonna have to let it dry out after this next batch of rain that we get, and hopefully that settles some of it as well, because obviously I just dug a bunch of holes that aren't gonna compact too well, but it's a good start. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. The wind's really picking up here and that cold front's moving in. We'll catch you guys later. Bye now.